I have a motion of urgent public importance from Professor Stephen Azaiki.
Importance under Order 8, Rule 4. I request the House to suspend other rules to enable me to take the matter. Need to immediately repair the failing section of the east-west road, particularly the area bordering Rivers and Bayelsa and that of Delta and Bayelsa axis, and complete the construction of the road, because right now the road is cut off.
To second the motion as moved. I so second, Mr. Speaker.
Enough. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, please say nay. Ayes have it. Prof, move your motion.
My colleagues in the House, this motion is on the need to immediately repair the failing section of the east-west road, particularly the Port Harcourt, River State, Bayelsa axis, and that of Bayelsa Delta, and to complete the construction of the road. This motion is moved by my colleagues from Bayelsa, Delta, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and Cross River States. The House notes that the east-west road, which was constructed decades ago, is one of the most important roads in Nigeria, and we understand its contribution to the economy and development of our country need not be overemphasized. The House also notes that the east-west road is spanning 5 states: Rivers, Bayelsa, Delta, Akwa Ibom, Cross River States. This road is in the heart of the oil-rich Niger Delta, where the oil revenue is derived and hence very vital to the economy of this country. The House further notes that it is in recognition of the importance of this road that the administration of President Olusegun Obasanjo approved the construction of a second carriageway and the rehabilitation of the existing one. Sadly, today, this road is yet to be completed. The House is informed that a greater portion of the roads in these states have failed, even as the project contracted to Cetraco Construction Company has been abandoned. The road today has become a death trap and causes nightmares to commuters who have unavoidably need to use these roads. Further informed that in particular, some sections of the road, especially that of Bayelsa and Rivers and Delta and Bayelsa, is already cut off, and in the coming days of this rain, it will be difficult for motorists to use the road. The House believes that there is the need to urgently repair these sinking sections of the road to avoid more loss of life, properties, and to eliminate the hardship experienced by road users and ensure that the entire road is completed on record time. The House resolved to urge the Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs to direct the contractor, Mrs. Cetraco, and any other contractor to immediately return to site and do the needful. Ensure that Delta Affairs Ministry, Niger Delta Affairs Ministry, and Cetraco rehabilitate immediately the most certain sections and those areas that are cut off Rivers, Bayelsa, and Bayelsa Delta axis to avoid these roads being unusable. Urge the federal government to resume all liabilities owed contractors on the construction of the road so that the road could be completed. Urge the federal government and Ministry of Niger Delta Affairs to complete these important economic roads without any further delay. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, we so move.
My name is Idem Unyime, member representing Ukanafun, Orogonam Federal Constituency in Akwa Ibom State. I rise to second the motion as moved by my colleague. I so second.
Those in favor, please say aye. Those against me say nay. The ayes have it.